To set up your environment, open your favorite browser. Search for install Rust. Click the link where it starts with rustline.org. Scroll down a little bit and you will find a command. Copy that command. Now press Alt+Ctrl+T at the same time to open terminal. Paste that command. Press enter. It says curl is not installed, so we need to install curl. Copy and paste that command. Press enter. Give your password. Curl is installed. Now paste the command again. Select default, press enter just. Now installing Rust. It will take some time. Rust is installed. Now we need to set up environment variable. Copy and paste the command. Rust has been installed successfully. Now we need to install VS Code. To install VS Code, enter sudo snap install code -- classic. Enter your password and VS Code will be installed. It will take some time. Now we need to create a directory where we will write our code. Write mkdir lc cdlc code dot to open it in VS Code. Click trust these others and all files. Click yes. Now we need to install a extension. Click extensions. Search Rust Analyzer. Select the first one. Click install. Trust publisher and install. It will be installed. Now we need to create a file. Click the icon. Write hello.rs. Now we will write a hello world program to test if everything is working. Write if and main first bracket second bracket print ln exclamation mark bracket hello world. Don't forget to end with semicolon. Now open terminal. Go to left side of the screen. Open menu, terminal, new terminal. We can also open terminal using shortcut Ctrl+Shift backtick. Now we need to compile our code. To compile our code, we need to write rustc, then file name. Now we need to execute our code. To execute, just write file name without extension. It outputs hello world. That means we successfully set up everything.